Hey everyone, this is Pete Kulitsky with Aerodynamics, here to unbox the 3000 series 6.5-inch component set. Inside the box, we find a pair of the ADCS632 component woofers, tweeters, and crossovers, all recessed into a block of CNC cut foam. The woofers feature a blended wool pulp cone, a rubber surround, and a cast aluminum frame which helps eliminate unwanted resonances. The tweeters feature a 28mm high-quality German silk dome, and offer both flush and surface mount options. There is also a pair of the AD2XL crossovers, assembled with high-quality mylar capacitor and air core inductors for quality highs and smooth mid-range reproduction. You can select 0, -3, or -6 dB of attenuation. There is also a mid-range contour switch for tapering the energy along the critical listening band between 1.8 and 3 kHz, which creates a more laid-back sound. Dimension-wise, the CS632 woofer features a mounting diameter of 5.7 inches and a mounting depth of 2.6 inches. The TW2832 tweeter has a mounting diameter of 2.04 inches, with a flush mounting depth of only 0.74 inches. And the AD2XL crossover covers a 3.82-inch by 4.55-inch footprint with a protrusion of 1.29 inches. For more information, parameters, and other performance data, check out the rest of the product page here at adcoreaudio.com.